Hello kids, welcome to Ishita Chalk Talk. Let's learn Roman numbers from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.